here's a tip that Jessica Throw in English taught me that I want to share with you. If you make a lot of Google Slides, but you are not thrilled with the different themes they have and want more, there is a website called Slides Carnival, pardon me. And here's how you add it to your Google Slides list. So say you want to look at all the PowerPoint and the Google Slide themes. Scroll down till you find one. Oh, hey, that's cool. And you're going to click on it. You scroll down and let them know you want the Google Slides theme. And you will click on it there. Tell it to make a copy. It's spinning. All right, now to add it, here I have an untitled Google slide that I'm just getting ready to create. And if I scroll in here, you'll see the one that I've created isn't here yet. But here at the bottom, and you can barely see it on my screen, it says Import Theme. So click at the bottom of your themes for Import Theme, and you will see it there. So click it, and you want to select it and say, yep, that's the theme that I want to use. And you can add that theme to your existing themes. And now going forward, it will show up in your list of themes. Slides Carnival has lots and lots and lots. Let's see, how many pages were there? More than 11 pages of backgrounds. And most of them are free, so they're great. So here is to liven up your slides, and let me know if you have any questions about using Google Slides. Thanks. Bye.